Hello and namaste all you beautiful people. Today I'm going to share emotional freedom technique with you. This is also known as tapping. This technique has proven to be extremely effective in reducing the stress levels in the human body. This is based on the premise that all the negative emotion, be it fear, grief, pain, anxiety, depression, trauma, is caused due to energy disbalances in our body. EFT uses acupoint tapping as a self-soothing cue, and this acupoint tapping helps bring down the cortisol levels or the stress hormone levels significantly in our body as per research. EFT works by tapping on the specific pathways or meridians through which the life force or the prana flows throughout our body. These points or meridians help balance the energy flow in our body and maintain the health and homeostasis in our body. So let's get familiar with the tapping points. The first tapping point is the karate chop point. It is right outside your hand. The second tapping point is at the beginning of the eyebrows, just where your eyebrows start. The third tapping point is on the outside of the eyes. Fourth tapping point is underneath the eyes. Fifth tapping point is underneath your nose and between the nose and the lips. The sixth tapping point is underneath your lips, the groove between the lips and the chin. Seventh tapping point is underneath your collarbones. So 1 inch under the collarbones where your collarbone starts and 1 inch out where your collarbone and sternum meet. The eighth tapping point is 4 inches underneath your armpit. Ninth tapping point is over the top of your head, the highest point of your head or the vortex. Tapping is done in 5 stages. The first stage is addressing the problem. Whatever your problem is, whatever you're going through, whatever your stress, grief, pain, anger, whatever the issue is, recognize the problem. The second step is set the intensity at which you're experiencing the problem. What is the level on a scale of 0 to 10? Third is setup, wherein you will set up a phrase that despite having this issue, or even though I have this particular issue, now you can state your issue. I have this stress, I have this anxiety, I have this grief, I went through this humiliation. You can change it as per your convenience, but the main sentence remains, even though I have the issue, I choose to love and accept myself. The fourth stage, we go through with the sequence while stating the same phrase. And in the fifth stage, we check again the intensity at which we are feeling the issue. We stated the level of intensity at which we were feeling the issue earlier, and at the end, we check again what is the level of intensity at which we are experiencing the problem. Say, for example, I would say I'm experiencing a lot of stress at the moment. My problem is the stress. I'm testing the intensity, maybe my intensity is at 8. And then I start to say, even though I have this stress, even though I have this work stress, to make it more specific, I choose to love and accept myself. In the fourth stage, I start tapping away. So I will start with my karate chop point. Even though I have this work stress, I choose to love and accept myself. I hope you're following this. You can change the sides. Even though I have this work stress, I choose to love and accept myself. Going over to the eyebrow center. Even though I have this stress, I choose to love and accept myself. Tap for 8 to 10 seconds each point. Moving to the sides. Even though I have this stress, I choose to love and accept myself. Underneath the eyes. Even though I have this work stress, I choose to love and accept myself. Underneath the nose. Even though I have this stress, I choose to love and accept myself. Underneath the lip. Even though I have this stress, I choose to love and accept myself. underneath the collarbone. Even though I have this work stress, I choose to love and accept myself. Even though I have this work stress, I choose to love and accept myself. Underneath the armpit, even though I have this stress, I choose to love and accept myself. Even though I have this stress, I choose to love and accept myself. Changing sides. Even though I have this stress, I choose to love and accept myself. Even though I have this stress, I choose to love and accept myself. Top of the head, even though I have this stress, I choose to love and accept myself. Even though I have this stress, I choose to love and accept myself. And relax, take a deep breath in and exhale through the mouth. One more time. And exhale, release all your stress. And now check the intensity of your problem. You should be feeling much more relaxed and much more calmer. Observe the physiological and psychological changes in your body and brain. Observe how you feel. If you feel the need, you can tap away again. You can go back, rewind this video, tap away again. I would sincerely advise you to tap 2 to 3 times a day, or even more if you need to, and do it continuously for at least a few days to see some significant changes in how your mind acts and reacts. I hope we tapped some of your worries away at least. Let me know in comments below how you feel. Thank you for staying with me till the end. Thank you and namaste.